Hi, I'm Blani with Wags Media. My husband David and I created Wags Media to provide professional photo and video content for small businesses. We're living in strange times right now, and many people are trying to figure out how to film themselves at home and make their video look better. So we just wanted to give you a few tips. Many of us have a tendency to film ourselves like this. But most content is still viewed on horizontal screens, so we suggest always filming yourself like this. It's always best to film yourself with daylight because it tends to be stronger than most home sources of artificial light. Try filming yourself near a window using window light, but not with direct beams of light. You can see that light stream behind me, and if you see something like that, just avoid it and go into the softer filtered light. Definitely avoid a situation like this where you have sunlight on only half of your face. You can pretty much stay between 0 degrees and 45 degrees from the source of light. It really is your preference, but just take a look at the video and see what you like. This is more direct light. This is about 45 degrees. And this is awful. Don't do this. Whatever you do, just make sure you don't film yourself with the brightest source of light behind you. You can see that the light is very uneven on my face. There's no light in my eyes. This is all blown out. And just turning a little bit, this lighting is so much better. Another tip is about audio. While most recording devices these days have really great microphones, that means they also have a tendency to pick up background noise. Like that. You don't want anything like that to distract from your video, and bad audio makes for a bad video. The last tip is about framing. I'm leaving all of this space so that I can put words and whatever else I want on here, but you really want to think about how you're holding the camera or how it's positioned on the table in front of you. Do not put it down here. That is just not flattering for anybody. Just make sure your composition looks well balanced for whatever your eventual intentions are for the video. This kind of a thing. This kind of a thing. This kind of a thing. None of that works. I hope you found those tips helpful. We do offer private tutoring if you need more guidance, and we can even edit your videos. Our contact information is on the screen. Please don't hesitate to get in touch.